Hello guys and welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral add your strength right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I want to tell you what it means. So it means that you have to add a picture with yourself and 3 characters with your energy. So first of all, you have to go to your Instagram app, and then from there you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YDT. And then from my profile page you'll have to go to August add yours, which is here, and here is the place where you'll find the sticker. Now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, and you can also check my other viral trends if you like. There we have it. Now you have to click on the others button, and if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you the tutorial. So now you have to go to your uploads and choose 3 photos. I went to Google and downloaded 3 photos with 3 characters. Once you added your first photo, you have to make it smaller and place it where you want. Then to add the second photo, you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen. And then you have to scroll down, and then you have to click on this plus icon right here, and it will get it to your gallery. And then you can add your second photo and then your third photo. And then once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram app, but this time you'll go to super viral at highlights, because here you will find this first story. Not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get you to a YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that if you have trouble by clicking on the add yours button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.